In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a affiliation marketing landing page with AI. This kind of landing page. You've seen this kind of landing page? I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. This kind of landing page and this landing page here. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So stay with me until the end of this video. You're going to learn exactly how to do this kind of landing page. Hi everyone and welcome to Make Money You. I am Mivumbi, and today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a free landing page for affiliation marketing using AI. So I'm going to take you step by step on how to create this landing page. It's very easy and simple. So let's go on my computer and I can show you exactly what you need to do this. Right, first thing we need to do, we need to have a software where we can create our landing page. And in this video, we're going to use GetResponse to create our landing page. So if you already have an account with GetResponse, please log in to your account and we're going to start. And if you haven't you haven't signed up with GetResponse, you don't need to worry about I left the link below this video in description below. There's a link for GetResponse. You can sign up with them. It's free for 30 days. So you can sign with them. It's free for 30 days. And when you finish to sign up, you're going to log in into your account. Once you are already logged in, or once you already sign up with GetResponse, this is going to look like this. So I want you to come here. You can come here, create a landing page here. Click this one here. Right, now we are already here. Now we already we are in this next step here. So here you can choose use an AI power builder. So you need to click this one. Now once you are already here, what field do you work in? So here you need to choose. Now let's say we want to promote keto diet, right? So for the purpose of this video, we want to promote keto diet. So this is the field we want to choose special and restricted diet, right? We choose this one. So as I mentioned, we want to promote this product, custom keto diet, and we already got this. That's what we wanted. We wanted to promote this product. This is the field, and describe your product or service. So here you can come here and pick any of these. Like this one, we can choose this one. How to start a keto diet, right? You can even put more. You can explain as much as you want, so the AI can know exactly what this landing page is all about. Yeah. So it's how to start a keto diet. Right, so here let's go next. Now so here this is a recommendation. Your landing page, how do you want to have, if you want the landing page to have question, listing, sign up, testimonial, they give all this, right? If you want to add all this, if you want to add contact form, if you want to add video, if you want to add price table, you can add all those, right? So let's go next. Right, here you can choose color. Really, you don't have to really. So here usually just skip, right? And here you need to put your details and everything. Is not really important. I skip this one as well. So now let AI create a landing page for us. Right, now we have these 3 landing page we can choose from. So you choose whichever you want. If you want this one, you can preview, you can check how they look like, and you can decide which one do you want. Right, so in this one, let's choose this one. I like this one, I think. Right, this is how our landing pages look like now. See, we go here, testimonial, someone testimonial, they put their testimonial there. We've got we go the fact, we go some more information in this landing page. We can use this one if you want to, or if you don't want this one, you can go back. Now let's start to set this landing page. Yeah, so we can set this. Right, that's how we already set up our page. I'm going to show you exactly how you can add your affiliation link. So you come and click here, and you come success view, click down here, and we want to redirect to another page or site. So we want to put our affiliation link. So when someone clicks the affiliation link, when someone land in this page, is going to put his name and email address, and it's going to be directed. It's going to go direct into sales page here. Okay, and when you get in this sales page, and if you click here, it's going to go there, and if you buy anything from this sales page, we're going to get commission. That's the main goal. So I'm going to show you. So here you come here, redirect to another page or site. So it's external page or website. So here we're going to put our affiliation link. I go affiliation link here. Now we come here, we add our affiliation link. Okay, right, our affiliation link is ready there. I like to change the button. Now we want here, we're going to choose where we want our landing page to be. Keto diet. You need to create this first. And then there. Now let's give name keto to our landing page. Now this is contact list here, where your email they're going to be there. So you need to create a contact list first. If you don't know how to do that, I go video in my channel, I show how to create that. Okay, and everything look good. Now we go continue. Now here you need to put this is free get response domain. So if you go your own domain, you can add here, and if you don't have, you can use this one for time being. Okay, now we come here, publish. So our landing page is already been published, now it's active, and this is the link now you can use to promote your product. You can use this link. So when you use this link, this means people, when they click this link, they're going to land in your landing page, and when they get to your landing page, they're going to add their name and their address. You're going to capture the address, the email address, and then they will go direct into the sales page and buy this product while you still have the email address. Right, so let me show you how it look like. This is our landing page for keto diet. It's very simple using AI. Yeah, this is how you create your landing page for affiliation marketing. Use AI. And if you like this video or you like this kind of content, please subscribe. I do appreciate your love and support. Until next time, this is Mivumbi. If you got any questions, please leave them down below this video. And if you want to work with me, I want me to help you to start your online marketing, to help with your affiliation marketing, please do so. My email address is in description below. So thank you. Take care. Bye.